Yo, what's up everyone? It's Big B TV coming at you with another video. So today's video, as you can see, I have a Mustang behind me, and I also have this beautiful woman right here next to me. Make sure you go follow her on Instagram. So today's video, we're gonna go for a little ride along, kind of like scare her and get her a little reaction and stuff like that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight to the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So before we do all that, I gotta put gas because your boy's on empty. You show like no reaction at all.
I'm sorry, but my face was just like
How you feeling?
Listen, I don't know if it's the coffee that I had before this or
Ew.
No, not like that, like this espresso.
Oh, okay. scare her, yo. Everybody, so that's gonna be it for this ride along. As you can see, she was kind of scared, but ask her for yourself. How'd you feel?
I'm scared as hell. I'm shaking still.
Really?
Like I can't feel my my knees. That ass.
Damn. See, I mean, it's different from the driver to the passenger. So she told me in the car that she wanted to take me for a ride. So we'll see how that goes. You know, I'm kind of nervous because, you know, it is kind of like wet outside and whatnot. And, you know, Mustangs don't do great in cold and wet weather. But I'm gonna just let her go for a ride, you know, see if she can scare me or, you know, whatnot.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. As always, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace. All right, so before we go, what is your favorite feature on the car?
My favorite feature?
Yeah, like right on top of your head. What do you like the most about it?
I like when you do that like downshift thingy.
Oh, okay.
So it, like,
Downshifting.
slows down. I like it's almost like whenever you're like on a roller coaster and you like know it's going slow, but you know it's gonna drop.
Yeah.
Whenever you do that downshift and I know you're slowing down, I like clench so tight because I know you're gonna take the fuck off. But yeah, I like that.
So you just like the downshift, the more of the thrill, right?
Hell yeah.
So there's nothing cosmetic about the car that you like about it. You just like what it can make, you like the power, right?
Yes. I like the way it feels.
Okay, okay. All right. Hell yeah. Hey, huge shout out to Sammy Reyes. Make sure you go follow her on Instagram. I'll put the name right here for y'all. Please follow her and please DM her too. DM her and say Big B sent y'all. That way she can be like, oh, okay, you know, I'm getting some love, you know, whatnot. So yeah, make sure you go follow her and show her some love. She's real cool people. She's about to go for a ride in my car. I'm about to be in the passenger. So stay tuned for the next video. Yeah. So that's gonna be the next video, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Look, she's already ready to go. And yeah, we'll just pick up on the next video. So peace.